guys, today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy S5, the 16GB model. Alright, I'm going to be using my Leatherman Charge ALX to just quickly cut through the box. Just like so. Put that away. And there we have it. Here's the phone, charcoal grey. See what's in here. Now we've got the quick start guide. So the paperwork to recycle your old phone. Here we have the earbuds for the for your headset. Headphones. We've got the Australian 240 volt charger. It is rated at what does it here? 2 amps. Here's your USB powering cable, and we've got the battery under here, which is 2800 milliamp. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now let's start to do the actual unraveling of the phone. Trying to take off the battery. Which way does it go? This way. And there we have it. The Samsung Galaxy S5.